Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I am here with Sonia. This is Alexis Sanderson's grandmama. And Alexis is 8 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. And one of the ways we're working on walking is walking, holding on with her hands. So her hands are a little bit of a weak link for her. She walks pretty good with her legs. The next step she needs to be able to do is walk and hold on to a walker. So this is one of the ways we're working on that skill. You ready, sweetie? Let's go. So I've got the back of her shirt, and we're just holding on to a stick. You could use a broomstick or a mop at home. Right, look at you walking. Hold on tight. Uh-oh. Alexis, this hand needs to hold on if you want to go. Thank you. Let's go. You gotta hold on. Uh-oh, Alexis, this hand, that thumb needs to come around. You need to hold on tight. Oh, our hands are tight.
Mm-hmm. No, they're right.
Let's go. Let's go, Alexis. Good girl, you're holding on so tight. Nice job. Uh-oh, this right hand needs to hold on. Nice job, sweetie. There you go, Alexis. So this is one of the ways we work on the skills to be able to walk, thinking about one day being able to walk holding onto a walker. I hope this is a helpful idea. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye. Okay. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.